Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Ilokana in New Zealand. Today is Monday here and I'm going to work. And this is my car. So, you might be wondering what's inside that car of this Ilokana that's going to work. Well, I'll show you. I have seaweeds, bags of seaweeds. Because I have garden in another place where I live, so this is good for the garden. Seaweeds, I just pick it up from the beach 2 weeks ago. I also have leftover paint because I'm building a cabin for myself in Glenfield, and I also have that curtain rod because obviously I'm going to put curtain in my cabin. So what else can I find in my car? I have my lunch. So today I'm going to have rice for lunch and the leftover pakbet from last night. I'm going to have bananas, avocado, and I'm going to share the pickles with my friends at work. And the most famous skyflakes for snacks. And of course I have my bag here, my laptop bag there, and my bag. Now I'm all set to go to work. Have a nice day. Bye.